If I say that these emojis that we use in our day-to-day life are related to trigonometric ratios, you will ask how? To know that, you need to watch the video till the end. Hello and welcome to MATHSPEDIA, a math learning hub, and I am Meena, your math guide. I am back with the chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry of class 10. In this chapter, we will study the trigonometric ratios of the acute angles of a right angled triangle, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, say 0 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, etc. And also we will see some trigonometric identities. We may not be able to complete all the 3 topics in this one video. So today we will see trigonometric ratios of the acute angles. What is trigonometry? The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word trigonometron. Tri means 3, gon sides, and metron means measure. So in a way you can say that trigonometry is the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle. Now let's see trigonometric ratios. What are they and how to find them? As you can see, we have a right angled triangle here, triangle ABC, wherein angle B is 90 degree, AC is hypotenuse. If I need to find the trigonometric ratios of angle A, so with respect to this angle, I need to name the remaining 2 sides, because this is already, you see, it is hypotenuse. So AB and AC are the sides which form angle A. So in a way this is a part of angle A. It is near, it is adjacent to angle A. So that way we will name it as adjacent to angle A. Now angle A is facing side BC. It is just opposite to angle A. So BC is opposite side to angle A. Now what if I need to find the trigonometric ratios for angle C? So in that case, what is the side facing angle C? Is AB. AB for angle C will be side opposite, whereas BC will be side adjacent for angle C, because it is a part of angle C. To find the ratios, trigonometric ratios, first of all you need to know the sides. You have to name them. Now in this video we will be writing H. H for hypotenuse, O for opposite side, and A for adjacent side. Now there are 6 functions, trigonometric functions, and with the help of ratios of the sides we will find them, and they are like this. Trigonometric ratios, and we are writing them in the abbreviated form. Like for example, here if I need to find for angle A, so sine of angle A, that I will write as sine A, cosine of angle A, cos A, tangent of angle A, tan A, cotangent of angle A, cot A, secant of angle A, sec A, and cosecant of angle A, that will be cosec A. Now if you know these 3, these are the main 3 ratios, trigonometric ratios. If you know these 3, you can easily find the remaining 3, because these 3 are the reciprocals of the above 3. Like cot is reciprocal of tan, sec is reciprocal of cos, and cosec is reciprocal of sine. Or else if you know these, with the help of them you can find these, because tan is again reciprocal of cot. How to find them? Let's see. Again I have a triangle, right triangle, where an angle B is the 90 degree, and I need to find the trigonometric ratios for angle A here. So that way I have marked, this is its adjacent side and this is the side opposite to angle A. Let's find sine A first of all. As I told you before that if you know the first 3, sine, cos and tan, you can find cot, sec and cosec. But if you know only one, sine, then also you can find the remaining 5. How? Let's see. Here is the magic. Sine A is nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That means BC divided by AC. So you can make an acronym like this. So S is for sine, O opposite side, H hypotenuse. So if you just see O, this emoji. Why? As if you have committed a sin, you have made a mistake, you know, then the emotions comes to your face is, oh, what did I do? So nothing but SOH, so opposite side divided by hypotenuse. This will give you sine A. Now second important thing, see, cos and sine are the two functions wherein hypotenuse is there in the denominator. So if opposite divided by hypotenuse gives you sine, so adjacent divided by hypotenuse gives you cos. So cos A is nothing but A by H, that means AB divided by AC, and the acronym is formed like CA. C for cos, A for adjacent side, and H for hypotenuse. Because you have done something wrong, you will see the consequences. You may have got the punishment, so your face turns yellow. Now with these two, sine and cos, you can find out tan. Now in tan what happens, no, this hypotenuse, because already we have used twice, we have made the pairs, you know, this pair then this pair. Now what is left is these two sides, but which one will be in the numerator and the denominator, that will make the difference. If opposite is in the numerator, it is tan. If adjacent is in the numerator, then it is cot, because they both are reciprocals. So if you know sine and cos, you can easily find tan by dividing them. If you divide sine by cos, that means if you see H will be cancelled out, AC is cancelled out, what is remaining is opposite divided by adjacent side, or say BC upon AB in this case. See, opposite by adjacent. So that will give you tan. Tan is nothing, O divided by A, that means BC by AB, TOA. Now you are in tears, right? T for tangent, O opposite side, A adjacent side. So ka TOA. So ka TOA. Okay. Now as I told you, cot is reciprocal, so it will be A by O, AB by BC. Cow. Cow is C for cot, adjacent, opposite. Now someone is coming to you, relieve you, like, you know, don't worry, nothing will happen, it will be all right, right? So cot is AO, cow. Sec. Sec is reciprocal of cos, that means 1 by cos. So if it is 1 by cos, so 1 divided by AB divided by AC. So it will be AC by AB. So sec is hypotenuse by adjacent is equals to AC by AB. So it will be sha. See, S for sec and H is for hypotenuse and A is for adjacent. Ha, as if you are laughing, the person is making you laugh. Don't worry, it will be all right. So sha, cow, cow sha. Last is cosec A. Cosec A, as in again it is reciprocal of sine, that means H upon O, AC upon BC. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side is equals to AC divided by BC, and the acronym is CHO. हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. Cosec, hypotenuse, opposite. So this is how you find the trigonometric ratios. You just remember one, opposite divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse will be cos. Now with the help of sine and cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec, you can easily find out. Oh, ye kya hua? So katwa. Then someone comes and says, it will be all right. ठीक हो जाएगा. All is well. Cow sha cho. So katwa. Cow sha cho. So katwa. Cow sha cho. Anyways, that was just a fun part to make you remember the acronyms. Let's have a look at some important notes, important things to keep in mind about the trigonometric ratios. Will the ratios of this angle A be different in triangle PAM, CAB and QAN? No, they won't be different because the triangles are similar and the angle is same. So, even if the lengths of the sides are different, they change, they vary, the trigonometric ratios will remain same because the angle is same. So, this is one important thing you have to keep in mind. The values of the trigonometric ratios of an angle do not vary with the lengths of the sides of the triangle if the angle remains the same. Second thing that you have to keep in mind is, like suppose we are squaring the functions cos, sine, tan, etc. That means cos A whole square, so you can write as cos square A, or sine A whole square you can write as sine square A, etc. But if it is like sec A is equals to, as I told you, it is 1 by cos. So, that means cos A whole inverse. You can't write cos inverse A because this has altogether a different meaning. It is a different function. So, sec A is equals to cos A whole inverse. Similarly, cosec A is equals to cosec A is equals to sine A whole inverse. You can't write sine inverse A, right. So, these two important things you have to keep in mind. Secondly, sometimes they denote the angle by a Greek letter theta. Like for example, I say find theta, find the trigonometric ratios for angle theta. So, you will not write sine A, you can write sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, etc. Quick example, and then we will conclude here. Example, if sine A is equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Let us draw a right triangle first, say triangle ABC. I am given 3 by 4. So, 4 is what? Hypotenuse, and 3 is what? Opposite side. And what is the opposite side here? CB. So, I am writing 3A and 4A because let us take A some constant. Solution will be sine A is equals to 3 by 4, that means I can write 3A by 4A, that means BC by AC. Now, if you are given ratio like this, and that means you know the two sides, so you need to find the third side to find out the other ratios, and to find the third side we use Pythagoras formula. You know that the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. That means if I need to find AB, I will write AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square. Let us substitute the values. 4A square minus 3A square, that means 16A square minus 9A square, that gives me 7A square. But that is AB square. I need only AB. So, I will just square root the 7A square. So, I will get AB is equals to under root 7A. Now, since A is constant that I have taken, so the value of AB is under root 7. Now, I am asked cos A. So, cos A is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. I will substitute the values. Adjacent is under root 7 that I just now found, and hypotenuse is 4. So, this is what is cos A. Now, tan A. Tan A is opposite upon adjacent, TOA, that is 3 by under root 7. So, I hope this video helped you to understand the trigonometric ratios in a different way, and you will be able to learn them easily. Thank you for watching.